Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi khusus di Ukraina memasuki hari 63. Unit artileri Angkatan Darat Federasi Rusia melakukan 309 misi penembakan pada siang hari. Sasaran dihancurkan di antaranya 14 pos komando, 292 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer AFU, serta 3 depot amunisi di dekat Chervonoe dan Ilichevka di wilayah Kharkov, kata juru bicara militer Rusia, Major Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur Kamis tanggal 28 April. Sementara pertahanan udara Rusia menembak jatuh satu helikopter Mi-24 Angkatan Udara Ukraina di dekat Cherkaskia Lozovaya, wilayah Kharkov. Juga 2 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina juga hancur di dekat Peski Ratkovsko dan Borsevka. Secara total, 141 pesawat dan 111 helikopter, 609 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 275 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 2.616 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 297 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 1.139 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 2.426 unit militer khusus kendaraan angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Major Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian aerospace forces hit 17 Ukrainian military assets. Among them, 2 command posts of Ukrainian troops units, as well as 15 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. Operational tactical and army aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 38 military assets of Ukraine. Among them, 7 command posts, 2 anti-aircraft missile systems, 1 S-300 near Nikolaevka and 1 OSA-AKM near Velikaya Kamyshevacha, 2 fortified areas, as well as 27 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Up to 210 nationalists, as well as more than 43 armored and motor vehicles were destroyed. Artillery units have carried out 309 firing missions during the day. Destroyed 14 command posts, 292 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 3 ammunition depots near Chervona and Ilichevka in Kharkov region. Russian air defense means shot down 1 Mi-24 helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force near Cherkasskaya Lozovaya, Kharkov region. 2 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were also destroyed near Peski Ratkovsky and Borshovka. In total, 141 aircraft and 111 helicopters, 609 unmanned aerial vehicles, 275 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,616 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 297 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,139 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,426 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.